Welcome back. Now we're getting the latest news from the US, where the US has clarified on Shah Rukh Khan's detention. This is what Shah Rukh Khan had said just a short while back, that I fully understand and respect security with the way the world is, but to be detained at the US immigration every damn time is frustrating. This is a tweet after Shah Rukh Khan was detained for the third time at the immigration counter at the US airport. Right now we're getting a clarification from the US, where they have apologized in a tweet saying sorry for the hassle, but even the US diplomats are pulled up at the airport. Smita is joining us on the story. Smita, although it's a Bollywood celebrity going to the US and they say that laws are equal for everyone, there has been a tweet which has been issued by the US side, an officer who has said that we are sorry for the hassle, but even the US diplomats are pulled up when they enter the airport. Your views on it?
Well, Devina, it looks more like a qualified apology rather than a real apology. And Nisha Biswal, who is the US Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asian Affairs, somebody in the US regime who has been visiting India pretty frequently, and this region in particular. So she was the one actually, who tweeted this out saying sorry for the hassle, but in the same vein, she also added that US diplomats too are pulled out. But the question is that, why does his name keep coming up in the system? Why hasn't he rectified, since he's already been detained 2 times in the past for, questioning for longer hours every time that he's gone to the US? We do know that in the aftermath of the 2001 attacks, the U.S. immigration authorities, in fact, were accused of racial profiling, especially for those coming in from South Asia or for those coming in from West Asia. So in this case, increasingly we have seen Indian celebrities going to the U.S. They are crossing the divide, actors like Priyanka Chopra to Deepika Padukone. So it remains a question as to why the Shah Rukh Khan's name actually keeps coming up in the immigration system.
Well, Smita, thanks for joining us with those updates. What Shah Rukh Khan team has said to our reporters is that there is a namesake of Shah Rukh Khan who's on the no-flying list for the US authorities. Although he's now been captured, but still the actor continues to face questions from the strict immigration officers. Nisha Biswal, Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asia, meanwhile tweeting and saying that we are sorry for the hassle, but even the American diplomats have to face the law.